This is Atlas Centaur launch control at T-minus 5 minutes and holding for 15 minutes. Vehicle continues to be within nominal limits on all parameters. Shortly after AC-70 and its BS-3H payload clear the launch pad, it is picked up by ground tracking stations under control of the Eastern Test Range Superintendent of Range Operations. Tracking stations at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, Patrick Air Force Base, Jonathan Dickinson Missile Tracking Units, Antigua Island, and Ascension Island sequentially acquire the vehicle using ground radar and vehicle-generated telemetry signals. Trajectory and performance data is relayed back to the Launch Vehicle Data Center at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, where engineers assess vehicle performance in real time and record it for post-mission analysis. Be advised that we will experience a 25 to 30 second delay in confirming mark events covered by the Ascension Island tracking station. These events are the second Centaur main engine start, main engine cutoff, and spacecraft separation. This is Atlas Centaur launch control at T-minus 5 minutes and holding. During the whole period, we'll be showing production cycles on sections from Harlingen, Texas. This is Atlas Centaur launch control at T-minus 5 minutes and holding. We are experiencing some upper-level winds which are causing us to remain in the hold. Throughout the countdown, the Air Force Weather Station here at Cape Canaveral has been releasing and tracking a series of helium-filled weather balloons. These balloons are tracked for up to 1 hour or 60,000 feet, whichever occurs first. Both radar and telemetry data is gathered by ground tracking stations to determine the speed and direction of the upper-level winds. This information is then validated by the Air Force and transmitted to General Dynamics in San Diego, where it is loaded into a computer. This computer generates a digital flight profile designed to minimize aerodynamic loads and stresses on the vehicle as it flies through the atmosphere. The computer-generated flight profile is then uploaded into the digital computer unit located on board the Centaur. At liftoff, the DCU sends signals to the...
Roger. Go ahead, Water. Roger. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Roger. Arm switch to arm. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Start flight pressurization. T-minus 2 minutes. Centaur to internal power.
Centaur on internal.
Flight termination system to arm.
Atlas to arm. Centaur spacecraft to arm. flight termination system armed.
100 seconds. 90 seconds. Roger. Status check. Range launch clearance.
Range is go. You have final clear to launch.
Range ready. Switch on. 75 seconds.
Security system relative copy.
Roger. 70 seconds. Arm switch controlled. Auto arm. 65. Engines ready, light.
Box retract pressurized.
Seconds. Status check. Propellants.
Go Atlas. Go Centaur.
40 seconds. Pneumatics.
Go Atlas. Go Centaur.
Launch sequence start. Mark. 30. 29.
Keep these two on and I'll put the race session.
Centaur mid valves closed.
Control of the launch is now under control of the digital flight computer on board the Centaur. 10 seconds.
Minus 11. Minus 10. 9. 8. Minus 4. Minus 1. Plus 2.
And liftoff of AC-70 with a BS-3H satellite.
Plus 10. The pitch program is in. Engines still look good. The verniers, the sustainer, and the boosters all look good. Very smooth liftoff. Atlas PU system is now working.
Rumble of the launch now coming through the Mission Director Center.
PU appears to be in control.
No, that's usually we get
The pyro on the hydrazine system went off on time at 15 seconds, and the pressurization looks good.
Pitch program starting.
Going through the rough part of the flight, and it looks very good. It's not bad at all. Looks like the winds are no problem. Very stable going through the winds. PU system continues to go well. Engines all look good.
Propellant utilization systems being reported by Skip Mackey as performing within margins.
Still looks good. All engines burning well. PU control continues good. Vibrations are low. Guidance systems look good. Engine still burning very nicely. Very smooth. We're getting pretty much out of the atmosphere. Everything looks good. Data is excellent.
Seconds from Beco.
Booster shutdown. Booster separation looks good. Sustainer engine remains good. Verniers remain good. And the PU system on the sustainer remains in control. And we have jettisoned the panels, and we've jettisoned the fairing, and it still looks very good. Excuse me, we have not jettisoned the fairing. That was a bad comment. But the panel panels went off nice and clean. PU system continues in control, and the sustainer and vernier looks very good. And we have bearing jettison.
Vehicle is an altitude of 70 miles down,
Sustainer continues to burn well.
160
So
miles down,
verniers.
traveling at a speed of 6,877 miles
Plus
per hour.
240. PU system in the Atlas still looks very good. We have sustainer shut down. Verniers are off, and we have second stage separation. The Centaur has separated. We have LOX pre-start, and we have hydrogen pre-start. And we have engine start. We appear to have had only one Centaur engine start. Every indication is that only one Centaur engine started. We appear to be tumbling based upon the guidance. We're going appear to be out of control at this time.
Telemetry reporting only one Centaur engine has started. Vehicle appears to be